Hi, it's Ben, intramural intervention coordinator for the Student Recreation Center, and today we're tying a figure 8 knot. So the reason we're teaching a figure 8 knot today is because it's the first knot you tie in the process of tying a figure 8 follow through when you're tying in for rock climbing. But the follow through part we're going to cover in next week's video. So you're just going to have to live in that suspense. So here we go, figure 8 knot. Woo! So here is my climbing rope, and this is the sharp end here, obviously. So what you want to do, measure down probably about 3 to 4 feet, and then pull up a bite of the rope. And then what you want to do, as you're pinching that bite, you want to flip the business end over the sharp end once, and then twice. So you've just twisted it twice, and then you're going to take your sharp end and push it up through. And that's it. That's a figure 8 knot. Because it looks like a figure 8. The end.